Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel of Make It with Mia. I am super excited to share with you today some new finds that I found at Dollar Tree for your home to decorate and just amp it up, change it up a little bit with some new items. And I'm also going to be sharing some behind the scenes clips with my family, so you don't want to miss and you will want to stick along to the very end. So we have been decorating my daughter's room and I'm just looking around for frames and stuff that match and go really nice together. You can see they have these two different designed frames but the same type of like rustic finish with the gold and black in the background. I really do like these frames, and you can see they have that one right there as well, sort of flower pattern. I think I'm gonna pick this one up for her because I don't know, I just feel like this one matches her theme in her room, and you'll see that in just a minute. But I also picked up those arch frames that are the same rustic color because those are so beautiful, and they have a lot of nice peel and stick wallpaper as well that I'm going to use for those two black and white arch frames that I just showed you quickly there. You can see there's a ton to choose from, and obviously pick which one of your choosing, but I just went ahead and went with this butterfly one, and I'm going to use those for those black and white arches as a background. And Dollar Tree always has out these peel and stick wallpapers, and they're always putting out new ones, so make sure you check them out when you go inside of the store. But now we're back at the house, and I'm going to just take apart those frames. You can see there, those frames in the back, they go together really nicely, and I also love these as well. So the glass that's inside of it is super, it makes it super easy to just cut the piece that you need from the peel and stick wallpaper. Now obviously this is a peel and stick wallpaper, but I'm not going to peel it. Of course, I'm just going to use it as a background, but you can definitely add it to the glass if you wanted to. It's just your preference on what you want to do, but just to save it, just in case, I'm just going to leave it as is. Place it right back inside of that frame, and there you have it, a nice beautiful background for this frame. And you can keep it as is, just display the art of the wallpaper, or you can use it as a background and add a photo, a little photo on the top of it, which I think would be super cute as well for your kids' room or even any room in your house. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the white one, and there you go. And then I'm just gonna simply place it somewhere in her room that I think would look nice. I just placed it right here with her alarm clock right in front of it, and I just think it looks really super pretty. A nice simple way to just add some decor to the space and area, which I love. And I just want to take a quick second to show off my daughter's artwork here, because why not? It's right up there in my view. Anyway, she made these bag of chips, and I think they are so cute, and I just love her artistic skills, so I just wanted to show that off. It's so very detailed and I love it. So make sure to comment down below how you feel about it. I'm sure she would love to hear your comments and see your comments, because she really put in so much work for this piece, and I think it's super great. But anyway, those frames look absolutely amazing. Now I'm going to show you some little behind the scene clips here of me and my family at Disney. We took my daughter to Disney recently, and we have been going to the park and having a blast. She absolutely loves it. So I just wanted to share some of this with you guys, just some behind the scenes and things, something different that you guys can see along with the home decor and DIYs. Here is us on the racetrack here, and she nearly almost just crashed and hurt me, but I'm not gonna talk about that. Anyway, she loved this ride, and I love it too. If you have rode on this, let me know. We really had a blast on that ride. As you can see, it's super fun for the kids if you haven't tried it out, and it's not super intense or anything like that. So you should definitely try it out if you do have the chance. Moving along to the next little decor piece that I'm going to be adding into her room are those frames that I picked up that look a bit rustic. I want to put it on the left corner over here. You can see she has her whole little piano setup on her desk, and she also has some little things from her favorite show right now, which is completely fine. And that's why I wanted to kind of go with a rustic theme for this, because she also has that little lantern there that it's almost the same color, so it's perfect. And then I'm going to place these frames on her desk, and I'm going to leave those backgrounds that are in those frames as is, because I like those backgrounds for the whole vibe of this corner. I think it goes good with it, and it's not an ugly picture anyway, so I'm just going to leave it as is for now. And that is it, just something to kind of, give it a little bit of oomph and just give it like something that you can look at while she's playing piano, and just or even sketching whatever she's doing on her desk. She can have some nice little decor, and I just love this little corner, how it came together. Everything ties in really nice, and it just doesn't look super plain, for the kids room, and I love that. So you should definitely go to Dollar Tree and check out their frames, because these ones right here are absolutely gorgeous for only 125. And you wouldn't even think that I got these at Dollar Tree, because they really do look more high end. So I love it. Let me know what you think. And you guys, Dollar Tree has out these new snack boxes that are $5 a piece, which I think is not bad, or $6, I'm sorry. But I think it's not bad for this big old jumbo box that you can store your snacks in, or whatever types of foods that you would like to take on the go. They even have these posters for any fans out there. And then I also found these very cute lip balms and chapsticks that they have out. They have a lot of different, themes and stuff like that, which I think is very cute for, people who love certain types of themed things or gifts. Even for yourself, it's super cute, and for your kids as well. And being that Valentine's Day is coming up, these little bear ones are super cute for a gift. And someone did try to take one. That package is open, but anyway, this is super cute and I love that. They also have this new SpongeBob themed, Smurf themes, and Ninja Turtle themed of the toaster stamps, where you can make a nice little fun toaster stamp for you or your kids. They even have the spoon and forks to go along with the sets. I believe there's more stuff to the set, but this is all that I found. Another great way you can use those peel and stick wallpapers from Dollar Tree is for actual home upgrades in your home. As you can see, I completely upgraded these bathroom drawers from the cabinet here using their peel and stick wallpaper, and it turned out absolutely beautiful. And my friend, it is not as intimidating as it looks. I know it may look a little bit, like too much work, or if you can't do it, but I assure you that you definitely could, because if I can do it, you can do it, and I believe in you. You just have to really clean the drawers well, make sure that there is no dust or anything inside, and then really, if you need to sand it down prior to placing the wallpaper, and then just simply peel back as you go. Don't completely take the backing off, because you want to make sure you are laying it down correctly. So slowly peel back as you place that wallpaper onto each drawer. And then I'm going to cut a strip that I need for the side there. As you can see, it wasn't wide enough, but that's completely fine. We just have to measure how much space is needed and then put that place right inside using another sheet of wallpaper. And again, you can pick whatever wallpaper of your choosing because they always have a ton to choose from, which is amazing. But this marble one is absolutely gorgeous and I love it. It's a complete new look from what it was before, because before it was just really ugly in that natural wood that was kind of old and scratched up looking. So I wanted to give it a nice facelift, and I think this did just that. So make sure that you are not intimidated by little projects like this and just give it a try, and just try your best, and I'm pretty sure it'll come out great. As it doesn't need to be super perfect. You can always remove it and try it over and over again because this wallpaper can come off. So that's great as well. But another great way you can use those, I just wanted to show you there. And thank you so much for tuning into today's video, my friend. I truly appreciate it for you to come and spend some time with me and watch these videos. It truly does make my day. So thank you very much. And you can see that you can get better and better at your projects as you keep practicing, and you can continue doing things around your home like so. So don't be afraid to give it a try, and do let me know in the comments if you have done projects like this using Dollar Tree items, because I would love to know how they turned out. But thank you guys so much again for tuning in, and I will see you all on my next video. Also, do let me know as well if you are enjoying the behind the scenes little clips of me and my family, because if you do, then I will continue to show you because I think it's super fun. If you made it this far into my video, comment the word teacup down below in the comments and I will know that you made it this far. I will see you on my next one. Take care and God bless.